Assembling the CanDo Plastic Ball Chair. Before assembling your ball chair, review the manual included to become familiar with the parts. Begin by placing the base labeled B upside down on the floor and installing the wheels labeled I. Securely screw the two parts labeled L onto each end of the support bar labeled B. Make sure the thicker end is facing toward the end of the bar. Turn the base right side up and insert the support bar into the holes in the base. Screw the nuts labeled J onto the support bars with the wrench provided labeled K. Insert the back of the chair into the base and secure it by screwing in the two knobs labeled E. To pump the ball, screw part F into the pump labeled H. Inflate the ball until it is firm. Insert the plug labeled G, which can be found taped to the ball. The ball can now be placed onto the chair. The material will now expand to its full size 24 to 48 hours later, and you may finish inflating. The ball may need to be topped off periodically over time.